Welcome this video. Transform your outdoor space, backyard, garden, design idea of the Philippines. Introducing in the Philippines when the tropical climate and natural beauty about create a backyard garden is a delightful and a well-designed garden can provide a peaceful sanctuary of place to connect with nature and opportunity to showcase your create a kitchen gardening for those who enjoy cook. A kitchen gardening is a fantastic addition to your backyard. Raise you honor heart, vegetable and even flow through. Consider shape like bone. Not only will you have fresh organic product, it your finger go, but it allow also save you for money. Add creating light element your garnish with create light to elevate its usability into the even hard strong light and solar power gardening light can create a magic atmosphere fantastic and outdoor gardening are simple enjoy tonight one creating away in warm color to enhance the flow. Incorporating water fountains. Water fountains not only enhance the aesthetic of your gardening but also provide and so ambience. Consider at a small pillow or waterfall or a theme flood to your backyard, then fantastic can help cool the area flood hot weather active locate wind life such a bird and better flood. In conclusion, your backyard gardening is an opportunity to create a beautiful and fantastic out that reflect the wealth and natural beauty of the Philippines by ambience troll fellow incorporating water fantastic and add fantastically add personally touch to can transform your outdoor space in a place of relax and Instead, whether you have a long year to a combined array space, then backyard gardener design idea you can be attic and such your need and fantastic help you make the more of stand Philippine claim and natural centuries.